Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this lesson, we are going to learn the step-by-step approach of installing the Adobe Photoshop. This session is the introduction to our bootcamp of the studying of the Adobe Photoshop from the beginner mode to the expert mode. So without further ado, let's just move into it. The first thing I would have to do is to create a folder. Okay, I'm creating a folder so that I can just move my archive or zip file into the folder. I'm naming the folder as Adobe to make things so simple for me. Now, once I have named this folder, I would have to move the archive into the folder, right? So now this is the folder Adobe. I'll just move into the folder and then I'll just have to double click on it, right? So after double clicking, we should see that the archive should open. Now that the archive is opened, we are going to enter the password. Now the password is going to be in the description and then it is also going to be on the face of the video. So kindly stay tuned as you enter the password into it. Now we are into it and then I'm just double clicking on the folder, right? So you just follow exactly as I am doing. Now you can see something over here called the setup, right? Yes, that is exactly what we want. So in the setup, we just have to double click on it. The other alternative is for you to extract everything and then you get the setup direct, but this is also fine. So you double click on the setup and then once you double click on it, it gets extracted. The moment it gets extracted, the installation begins. You wait patiently for it and then it gets installed on your PC. So now as we wait, let's just see how it goes. Alright, this is what I get. Smart screen can't be reached now. But you know what? You still have to run it anyways. Most of you will get something like this and then most of you wouldn't get it. So if you get it, you can still run it. Now this is the installer for it. And then we accept it by clicking on the yes. And then we can just go on the continue, right? So you just click on the continue. So by clicking on the continue, you can see that it is installing over here. I have installed it already in my system, so I may not want to reinstall it. So as there is a progress bar over here, you would have to wait for it until it gets to 100%, and then when it gets to 100%, you are done with your installation. You can then move on to the next video, as in how to understand the interface of the Adobe Photoshop. Thank you very much for your time. See you in the next session. Until you hear from me again, then it is actually a goodbye.